COVID-19 has turned the world upside down, and Mintech, like every other organization, has not been spared. I've been asked to tell you about the procedures we've put in place to help us beat this disease. To bring everyone up to speed, COVID-19 is a disease caused by the coronavirus. The symptoms the coronavirus causes are very similar to flu: tiredness, high temperature, fever, chills, a dry cough, short breath, sore throat, headache, aches and pains, a loss of smell or taste, and red eyes. Most people who catch the virus don't show any symptoms, so they unknowingly infect other people. You can catch the coronavirus from someone who coughs near you, or from a surface onto which the virus has fallen. The best way to prevent catching it is to wear a face mask and stay at least 1.5 meters from other people. You should prevent touching your mouth or eyes after touching any surface, and wash your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water to kill the virus. Use hand sanitizer if you can't wash your hands for any reason. If you have to take a taxi to work, have the correct fare ready. Keep your mask on and make sure the windows are open. Research has shown your chances of picking up the virus are reduced substantially if there is good circulation of air. If you are not careful, you can get the disease called COVID-19, which can be very serious. This is especially true if you have other health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, breathing problems, or are overweight. Medical experts are racing to find a cure for COVID-19, but until they do, Mintech has come up with plans to keep us all as safe as possible. When you arrive at work, your temperature will be taken and you will be asked to declare any symptoms you may have. It's important to declare truthfully to protect your health and those near you. If your temperature is high, you will be taken to the isolation room that has been set up in Block 6000, Level 3 for further screening and testing. You will also need to stay home until your result comes back. If it's positive, we recommend that you self-isolate before coming back to work. Your test result won't be shared with anyone. Consult your doctor for medical assistance if symptoms persist. After 10 days of isolation, the Mintech clinic will assess you again to confirm that you are through the infection. While self-isolating, you should inform everyone you had contact with so they don't spread the virus either. For people who come into the office, Mintech has introduced new protocols. Our offices will be rearranged so that we don't sit too close to each other. Where possible, you will be encouraged to work from home. Shields have been erected where staff interact at reception and the security entrance. Please adhere to the restrictions on the number of people allowed into places such as the lifts, laboratories, bays, meeting rooms, workshops, kitchens, bathrooms, stores, and corporate clothing sales room. The canteen will operate on a delivery-only basis for now, so you will have to order your food via the phone or online. Keep your work area well ventilated, and if you want to take a break, do so outside in the fresh air and sunshine. Unfortunately, during this period, no smoking is allowed on the premises. Besides these measures, it's extremely important that if you think you're getting sick, you contact the clinic to prevent your colleagues from getting ill. You will need to make an appointment to visit the clinic and can do so by calling extensions 4690 or 4678. Alternatively, you can send an email to clinicbookings@mintech.co.za. If anyone in your division gets COVID-19, their work area will be disinfected and their close contacts will be traced and tested. Isolating at home from friends, family, and colleagues can make one feel down, so Mintech has recruited a consulting psychologist. If you need help, please call 079 019 8437 for an appointment, or send an email to stormebrand@gmail.com. Lastly, remember that COVID-19 can strike any of us, no matter where we work or live. As we move through this crisis, it's important that we don't discriminate against colleagues who have caught the virus or given it to us. The only weapon we have against this disease is our behavior. Let's beat this challenge and rise again to become the great company that Mintech is.